can get everything up with my flames. Namaste. The Gangmaekers have asked us to come tonight to perform a very famous Fakir show. We have come a long way on our elephants to give you this amazing experience. Did you know that the Gangmaekers are very poor bastards? They can only pay us 25 rupees and some dry rice and some chicken curry for after the show. The Gangmaekers, they have to pay for everything here in Don Bosco, even their own bitter balls. But ladies and gentlemen, let's start the show. A show full of magic, animals, and some very dangerous tricks.
more magic? Do you want to see one more trick? What kind of a trick do you want to see?
A card trick.
What did you say?
A card trick.
A card trick. What a coincidence. I have a nice set of cards. But we need a volunteer. We need a volunteer from the south. We have found a nice volunteer. Yes, a big applause. What is your name, madam? Susan. A big applause for Susan. Susan, we have a very difficult job for you. You have to pick one of the cards. Yeah, you can pick one of the cards, it doesn't matter what. But don't show it to us. Don't let us look on the card, but show it to the audience. Can you still remember the card, Susan? Great, great, great. Show it to the audience. Yes. And now we have to bring the card back. Please put it back in the cards. Yes. Thank you very much, Susan. Thank you very much for your job. You can put it back. And now our little assistant is going to pick the card, which Susan has in her mind. But before we go to do that, she's going to blindfold herself. How many fingers do I stick up? 2, so you can see. She cannot see anything, yes? But to make it really difficult, I'm going to shuffle the cards, yes? And now she's going to pick the card which Susan had in her mind. Is this the card, audience? Susan, is this the card? It's amazing, it's amazing. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, you were a lovely audience. But we are almost at the end of the show. Yes. But not before this man is going to pull all of our elephants to the next circus stand. Give him an applause. Too fast. Fakir Hypocrites. Not finished. What's next? Oh no! Oh no! You do that